and I didn't eat what am I trying to say? I did not eat a lot.
What? Oh my god. I did not. No.
You know what I'm trying to say?
Say it again.
So I'm trying to say, like, I didn't eat a lot, not because, but I did not.
Excuse me. I just had to. I forgot you don't like burp.
That is my number one pet peeve. You gotta get out. You gotta get out. I'll put it in.
No. Oh shit.
You know what I sounded like? Hello, Yello, and hello again. Come on in, my friends. So, you guys, today we're going to be doing a mukbang. And today I have
Alexis. So we're going to eat all this delicious food that we made. Just kidding.
We did not make this.
I'm just kidding. But yeah, we're going to do a mukbang. We're just going to talk about anything. And yeah. Let's get started. We have our breakfast special.
What is it?
Breakfast special?
It's the country breakfast. It comes with eggs. What is this?
Eggs, hash brown. Mine comes with a, what is it?
A chicken fried steak with gravy on top.
Chicken fried steak.
And I have a piece of grilled chicken because, you know, I got to stay slim. And pancakes. As well as
wings.
Hot wings and barbecue wings.
Buffalo barbecue.
And I have some and I have some what is this? It's should have got a coaster. That's what I should have got. I have green tea.
And I have strawberry melon.
And we're going to actually say grace and get to eating.
All right, you start first.
You want to say it in your head?
Amen.
Okay.
Let's finally eat.
I know, right?
With some ketchup. Do I eat my first bite? It's so hot.
So we get to the restaurant. We order our food. About what? 20 minutes goes by.
20, yeah.
We come back. I said, you know what? Let me check the food. I check the food. Everything's looking good. Okay, wings, check. Breakfast, 1, check. And I look at mine, and I got a whole chicken fried steak. And I'm like, first of all, I do not eat chicken fried steak. Never have, never will. I'm just kidding. But no, I like the grilled chicken the best. So, and I said, can you please take this back? And he's like, I've never even heard of that. And I said, first of all, I come here all the time. All the time.
Well, today you heard of it.
But it's okay. It's good though.
And the eggs. I like scrambled eggs.
That's it? Just by itself?
No, scrambled eggs and like potatoes. Like any shape or form. So good.
Ooh.
Hashed or if it's sliced.
Do y'all see this?
That is tough.
I'm calling corporate. I am calling corporates. Oh, here we go.
I mean, you did. You did that like 20 times. Try this.
It's good. It has good flavor. It's just a little dry. Just a little bit.
So I'm gonna try this. Can you see it? Can this be put on anything, or is it just?
I guess.
I don't know.
It's really good on noodles and chicken, though.
Damn, this big old hole. Cut that out.
Right, leave it in.
I'm gonna put it just on the side. Oh shit.
You can put it right here.
Okay.
I want to go for one of these.
Oh, I forgot there was those.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite breakfast item is hot wings. And some
Your favorite
cold
breakfast?
pizza. Yeah. Did they say that?
You said breakfast.
Yeah.
Breakfast?
Yeah.
Hot wings?
Yeah. I mean, who doesn't like hot wings for breakfast? I feel like this is a lot. Is it a lot?
For one bite? No. How's it?
It's spicy. I like it though.
It's very spicy.
It is.
You may not have got enough. It's probably hit you in the... It's gonna hit you. Oh my god, you scared me. I thought you threw up. The show's canceled.
Uh-huh.
I just need a dab.
Did you get barbecue or buffalo wing?
Just now?
Yeah. Oh, there's ranch. No,
Buffalo.
ranch.
I just want a drip. That's good.
What, did you put some on there? Is that
Hot. My spice meter is at like a...
It's so
like
good.
a 5.
On a scale of what?
1 to 10. I can only handle like a 5.
Mine can be probably like a 7, 8.
Dang. You must have came out the womb eating hot sauce.
But I feel like now, since I'm older, like I can't really eat that much hot stuff. Like when I was younger, I would eat hot stuff all the time.
Wow.
Yeah.
But
then again, like now, I have my gallbladder removed, so I don't know if that would not like help it, you know?
I don't know. I have no idea.
You have your gallbladder?
I'm pretty sure.
I'm just saying, like, if you had surgery for it, I don't know. I don't know your life.
No, I've never had it removed. It better still be there.
Do ASMR.
They're gonna click off the video.
Yeah.
Please don't come for me. I'm not a bone cleaner.
I was about to ask you that too. Like if you
I
see
can't.
those people that just eat a couple bites and leave like
I can't do
still.
it. No, I'm that person.
No, but like you did good because like some people.
I won't even do that much. That's about as much as I can do.
What are we gonna expect from your channel?
Okay, Judge. Well, we can expect lots of eating.
I'm here for it.
Thanks. Challenges. We're going to be doing challenges. We're going to do the 2 times spicy noodle challenge. That should be coming. You guys look out for that. What else?
So expect me more on this channel.
You know it's...
To like these kinds of people, like they're just done, you know.
Oh no.
If you're one of these types of people, don't be talking to me.
Seriously. Oh,
Like there are people out there starving, and you have this whole chicken here.
right.
Just finish it.
It irks me.
Working on it.
It irks me.
Finish it off.
And I see that.
I don't even care.
Oh, that was a good crunch.
Watch. Hold on. You gotta finish this one first.
That was so like not like the first time. The first one was like
Oh, right. Stupid. What is it called? Carrot. It's like halfway cooked already.
You guys, it took forever for us to set up. Food is dang near cold.
We're right on time.
I did not know that this is what it would have came with doing mukbangs.
Well, we try to prepare, but
we prepared for 3 hours. Not 3 hours, but it felt like it.
I love ranch with my hot wings.
Dang. Take it all, why don't you? Let me pour some all over the table.
So basically I have a side of hot wing with my ranch.
A side of hot wing?
Yeah.
I usually get hot wings. Like just hot wings. This is my first time having their barbecue.
That's good.
I'm getting full. I'm getting full. I have a tiny stomach, but a big stomach. What do you call it?
A big appetite, but wait.
My eyes are bigger than my stomach. There it is. Not physically, though.
No, my stomach's bigger than everything else, so.
Oh my god. She's eating her egg with a knife.
Okay.
I'm about to go in for this pancake. Since my chicken wanna be sitting like this. Like a robot, it's just sitting there. I think I got Creole all over my pancake.
Oh, I see it. Oh, so it'll be seasoned.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
It's saucy. I'm gonna go for the eggs. I'm trying to finish my food because you're always hungry.
I absolutely
It has like a
love-
chicken flavor.
What?
The hot sauce.
Yeah, it's. I think it's because it's for like the noodles. Like usually noodles are like chicken flavor. I don't know. Are they usually chicken flavor? I don't know.
They're good.
They're fluffy. Like me. Both of our dogs are in the backyard having the time of their lives. I'm just kidding, they're locked up in a cage.
I'm like, what backyard?
Shut up!
Where?
Oh my gosh. You guys, I do have a backyard. It's just
2 feet long.
It's just, well, I have a whole courtyard actually.
She also has a pool. And a gym too. Like, who has a gym in their house?
Not me. Oh, I got syrup on my chicken. No.
Yeah, they gotta wipe it or eat it.
I'll eat it.
A syrup challenge.
I don't like my food to touch. Period. So this was a lot for me because it's all touching.
I was about to say your ranch is touching your.
Or no, I'm not gonna eat. I'm gonna eat it around it. I'm gonna eat around it. We're almost done, and I feel like I haven't put a dent in this.
Who, me? I'm almost done.
Only thing I don't like about pancakes is that they soak up all the syrup, and it's like I have to have them wet. Does that make sense? Like this to me, I know there's a lot of syrup on it, but it, you know, soaked up. But I have to actually physically see it.
See the syrup? You are something else.
I know. I just don't like a dry pancake. And to me, when it soaks it up, it's dry.
When it soaks it up, it's dry?
Yeah. To me, like, I know I'm not the only one. There's somebody out there. I know there is.
You're the only one.
The rest of y'all are just crazy.
What?
My husband's always yelling at me because we'll buy a brand new thing of syrup and I damn near use the whole thing. I'm just like, but my pancakes have to be wet.
That's what he said. You cut that out.
I'm gonna cut it out. Alexis is X-rated. Rated R. Wait, what is it? Is it rated X? Wait.
What was that?
I almost choked. You guys leave in the comments somewhere where you would like to see us do a mukbang. Different ideas. This was just the first one that literally came to mind. I was like, oh, why don't we do breakfast? You know?
We're hungry.
Breakfast for dinner.
My plate's cleaner than like yours. Like, I don't know.
It is.
I don't know. And you're the one that says you don't like your food touching?
She had to just throw me under the bus.
Look. Okay. Show them yours.
No, because then it's really gonna mix. Anyway, look, you guys. I know it looks like crab. It's okay.
I'm gonna go for another chicken wing.
Tell them how that one time when you got shot by the FBI.
Oh. Funny story. So I'll say that for another time.
It's too late for me.
Oh! You guys.
Can you pass me that sauce? The 2 times hot.
2 times spicy.
Sponsored. 2 times spicy. Extremely spicy.
You guys, if the video gets cut short, it's because she had to go to the ambulance. I mean, because she had to go to the hospital.
She had to go to the ambulance.
I don't know, pancakes is one of those things that I have to eat, like while I'm eating. Like when you eat french fries and a sandwich, like a burger or something. I have to eat them together. I can't just like eat the burger first and then eat the fries. Or some people eat the fries first. Are you okay? The vein?
Yeah.
You guys, she's going vegan after this after this video. She's going vegan, you guys.
Do they have vegan chicken wings?
Yeah, they do. They have plant-based chicken wings. I'm done.
You should like mix it with some vodka or something. It tastes good.
First of all, that's gotta wait until Tipsy Tuesday.
Ooh.
Or is it Thursday?
Tomorrow. Thirsty Thursday.
Thirsty Thursday. You guys better tune in, okay? I don't know if it's gonna come out on a Thursday, but hopefully it does. It'll be filmed on a Thursday.
No, you have to do it.
Okay, it'll be filmed on a Wednesday.
Are you gonna film? I mean, you're gonna.
Okay, we're gonna cut the whole thing. We're gonna cut the whole shit.
No promises to anything.
She's just now getting to her pancakes. This is why I eat them during. But she says, you know what? I'm not trying to get full fast, so.
I had to take my time, do it right, break here and there, which I didn't do, but.
She did not. She did not take a break.
The reason why I'm still eating is because this is the first meal of the day. My first meal of the day.
It's my first meal too.
Yeah. Well, you got a problem then.
It's my first meal of the day. It is 7:21.
No, it's not. 7:19. I don't know why you see
That's because my clock is fast over there, so that I'm early to work, even though I'm always late. Oh, what is this?
Just came up out of nowhere.
Absolutely not.
It's not good.
I don't like it. When it first hits your mouth, it's like, oh, okay, it's a party. But then when it goes down, it's like, party's over.
Like the taste of it?
Yeah. It was chewy, but maybe because it's cold. ASMR. Guys, we got this food. I'm not even gonna tell you when we got the food.
Better not. Tell them how we met.
You know, I was thinking that earlier on in the video. I was like, I wonder, should I just tell them how we met? If you guys want to know how we met, you're gonna have to wait until
Chipotle mukbang.
as if we've already recorded it. And I barely ate. I can never finish the breakfast. If you're in Phoenix, Arizona,
Make us some food.
Yeah. You get a lot for
Your money.
your money's worth. You really get your money's worth, honestly. And what am I trying to say? I did not eat a lot.
What? Oh my god. I did not. No.
You know what I'm trying to say?
Say it again.
So I'm trying to say, like, I didn't eat a lot, not because, but I did not.
Excuse me. I just had to. I forgot you don't like burp.
That is my number one pet peeve. You gotta get out. You gotta get out. I'll put it in.
No.
Oh my gosh, this is my number one pet peeve.
Oh yeah, what's your pet peeve? So we'll talk about it.
Number
Don't
one,
include
burpee.
Oh my gosh.
I can't even laugh.
Calm
I know
down.
everyone burps. I just don't like to hear it.
Again, round 2.
And we're back. We're live. So
we're live. Channel are we?
First of all, it's Ayo Desi TV.
My bad.
Channel 4069. I'm just kidding. That might be a real channel.
4,000. I was gonna say, what's your favorite color? But I already know.
She don't know.
It's a lime green.
She knows.
What's mine?
Polka dot.
It's patterned. Oh my gosh.
I'm just kidding. It's pink. It's pink. It's pink. Right?
I have 4 actually, but that one's right. Or actually 5.
Can't win. Just can't win.
But that is the number 1 actually.
I know.
Hair flip.
I know. I'm the one who decorated her desk for her 23rd birthday. Or you 24.
We're the same age.
Oh.
Don't include my age.
You just told my age.
It's gonna be our Kobe year.
Oh my god. Kobe. Why didn't we toast? I just thought about that. No, we should do that. Let me pour some drink.
We got some wine in here.
Joking. I wish it was some wine.
Wait, we got a toast and no drink. Where do we need to toast to?
Let's have a toast to the. How did that song go? You know that song?
No, I don't. Wait, I don't know.
Let's
Maybe.
have a toast to the good time. Every one of them that I know.
Probably not. No, I don't think so. Here is to 2020.
Hear ye, hear ye.
Here's to a brighter future.
Hear ye.
And here's to commas in your bank account.
Comma.
Period.
Hey. Clink. Look, I was trying to toast with them first.
Oh,
it's okay,
well,
though. It's okay, guys. She didn't want to toast with you. Hopefully, you put your glass up to the
I was
screen.
going to do it after. Don't worry. It's time for a nap.
Time for a nap. Time for a nap. Time for a nap. It's not the coronavirus, I promise.
But it is.
I want to thank you all for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share and comment down below what you would like to see in the next video. Go check out her channel. The link to her channel will be in the description box below. I'll see you guys in the next video without a doubt. It's your girl Ayo Desi TV, and we're signing out.